So you're getting comfortable with shooting regular video and you want to add some flair to your project. I'm going to give you an example of 5 basic and free effects that you can add from within Adobe Premiere Pro so that you don't get caught with only the bare minimum of flair in your next video. Hi, I'm Jeremy, and there are so many options to get creative with video. I'm just another voice in the crowd, but hey, I knew that this might add some value as a reminder that these effects can be added with only minimal adjustments. The first effect I want to showcase is the warp stabilizer. This thing is fantastic because if you're a handheld video operator who favors natural shots, then this effect can add some quick stability to an otherwise shaky shot. In this clip, I filmed my boy on the fly running across the field. Notice how shaky this clip is as I was just running alongside him, which makes some people queasy to watch it. Let's add the warp stabilizer and see how it improves the shot. Did you notice how much steadier the shot is? Okay, let's look at this thing one more time and compare it side by side just how amazing this effect is and what we can do with a little bit of software. Maybe you remember the old films before the invention of the TV remote. I would say that I do, but that would be putting my age a little bit out there. The black and white effect can add old-timey feel to your video if you're going for a bit of nostalgia. Alright, let's get back to some color here. This next effect comes in handy for all those police videos you see on YouTube these days, and can be beneficial if you're filming in a public location or out of respect or need, want to blur out some faces. The Gaussian blur effect has a masking effect that makes it easier to track a specific feature in your shot and blur it out. Pretty cool, huh? I don't think we're gonna see aliens invade anytime soon, but how about if you want to add a War of the Worlds effect to your video? So there we have it. The Ultra Key effect is often used in green screen situations to add in a background, which you may already be aware of, but perhaps you did not know that it can also add some pretty trippy effects that are just, well, out of this world. Alright, the final effect I wanted to show you today can be useful if you want to create a sense of chaos or busyness that will cause your audience to just step right back. By using Replicate, you can create a sense of macro scaling to a clip that divides your screen like one of those old 1980s MTV videos. Can I get a mum up max headroom? Alright, we are only just scratching the surface here with these 5 effects. I've been playing around with effects lately because they can be used to create an emotional response that helps build a connection with your audience. I know if I can do it, then you can. It's not that hard, but it might require a little bit of YouTubing. Anyway, good luck on exploring your virtual effects toolbox and get out there and capture the moments that create connection.